Hello people, hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Our YouTube channel name is Chip Steamer. Now don't forget to subscribe, share, like and comment. Now today I want to show you how this photocell, this contactor and this bulb will be our street lights, how to wire street lights using photocell and a contactor. Now let us start. We have our main comes from this side. As you can see, we have a contactor, we have the photocell, we have our lightings. Now let us start. I want to show you how to wire a photocell to light your street lights, or when you have so many lights and you want to wire them using photocell. Now this is how you start. In our case, remember in our video I told you a contactor only uses 3 wires: the live wire, the red, the blue and the... Now guys, let me show you. In our case, we will make this wire to be now guys, for today we have got no 3-phase, but we will loop single phase to be like our 3-phase. Yes, let us loop. We have looped, as you can see. The main, we put it here. Now our contactor, you see. Then now the load, as you can see, these will be our street lights. Then we have our photocell. You see here, let me show you something. In our photocell, it is marked neutral, so our neutral wire will come to this point, to this terminal. Then our live or our positive, the main wire, will come to this terminal, as it is written L, which means live. Then this terminal, as you can see, it is written LO. Now our load supply will be coming from this terminal. Let's start. Now guys, you see this red wire, we have made it to be our live, and this black, you see, we've made it to be our neutral, and this this green wire, this yellow wire, we've made it to be our load supply. Now this wire here, this load, you wire it to L a 1. This load wire from the photocell, you wire it to A1. Then your neutral wire, it will come to this side, A2. You see, let me show you your neutral wire from the photocell to this point. Then you take another neutral. Now you see this neutral, it will come and take to this main. Now guys, as you can see down here, we have our main. Then remember, when you are wiring street lights or any other lightings, the street lights in your home using a contactor, remember your neutral will automatically go direct to your lights. Now you see we have our main here. We have our main here, our main from this sensor. You come and wire it to this MCB. Now you see our main wire from the sensor has taken from this side, this one. Then this main, you see, this main has come to this point, this terminal has looped and has taken direct to our street lights. Then remember the neutral wire comes direct and takes from the main, and then neutral back gives to this contactor, then neutral back comes and gives the photocell. Now guys, as you can see, now let us demonstrate. You see guys, you see how it works. You see, that's how your contactor will be reacting when the sensor gets dark and the sensor gets spark light. You see guys, you see, now guys, you see, now guys, don't forget don't forget to follow us, and don't forget to subscribe in our YouTube channel so that we can make more videos. For those who have subscribed, I want to thank you. Continue watching, continue sharing. Thank you.